We're going to start Chapter 3, Lesson 3 Review. The first section is called Number and Operations. We need to add the magic squares. Write the sum for the new magic square when we're done. So what we need to do first is add the corresponding squares together. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. 5 plus 7 is 12. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. And 5 plus 7 is 12. Now remember, in order to find the sum, we need to add going down and across, but also going diagonal. So let's start with 12 plus 12 plus 12. I also know that that is 12 times 3, which equals 36. So let's make sure that the other columns and rows equal 36. So let's try two more. Let's do the first row, which is 12 plus 10 plus 14. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 1, 2, and 3 is 36. If you look there, all three of those numbers appear in either the rows or, if you look here, the columns. So it's very clear to see that this would be 36. I could also check my answers by adding this sum, which is 15, plus the sum of this square, which is 21. And I know that 15 plus 21 equals 36. So it's clear that the sum of these magic squares is 36. Let's move on to number 2. You're going to use the same strategy where you add up first the corresponding squares in order to get the answer for each corresponding square. Then you'll need to add up the rows and columns to find the sum. You can also do that by adding one row or column from the first magic squares in order to get the sum. So use the same strategy that you did in the very first one in order to solve number 2. Let's move on to the data analysis and probability section. We first need to read the graph. Which is your favorite school day is the title. The y-axis title is called number of students. The x-axis title is called the day of the week. So looking at that, we need to figure out in which or how much each of these bar graphs are. So Monday is just 2. Tuesday is 4. Wednesday is 4. Thursday is 6. And Friday is 9. So looking at this information, we can solve numbers 3, 4, and 5. How many students answered the question is number 3. So I need to add up all of the different students. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 4 more is 10, plus 6 more is 16, plus 9 more is 25. So 25 students answered the survey. Number 4 asks, how many more students chose the most popular day than the least popular day? So looking at that, you can see that the most popular day was Friday, and the least popular day was Monday, and I need to find the difference. The key word there is difference. So I know that difference means to subtract. 9 take away 2 is 7. So how many more students chose the most popular day than the least popular day? 7 more students did. Now the last question here is asking us about the trend of the chart. So we need to look to see what's happening. And to me, I can see that it's increasing as the days get closer to the weekend. So describing the trend, I would say that more students like Friday because it's closer to the weekend, and as the days get closer to the weekend, more students are enjoying their school day.